So we've got these negative thoughts that we're supposed to let them pass by like floats in a parade. But what do we do with the positive ones? How do we think about positive things? How do we think about such things? Well, it's like this Rubik's Cube. Because what I know is that thinking about positive things, it doesn't come very easily. It takes practice. It's kind of hard to do it at first. But the more you do it, the easier it gets. It's like the idea that the more you lift weights, the stronger you're gonna get. The more that you rehearse a speech, the easier it is to remember that speech. Really, the goal is to create a habit of thinking about good, God-honoring things. But like every habit, it takes time for it to become a habit. So we keep practicing, we keep working towards the goal, which is making positive things, healthy things, admirable, true, lovely things, the things that stay on our mind. So what are you thinking about right now? Are you thinking about things that are true, things that are noble, pure, lovely? Because when you do, when you think about the things you think about, we're gonna let our negative thoughts pass by like floats in a parade, but those positive thoughts, the thoughts that are true, noble, admirable, lovely, pure, honoring, we're gonna focus on them until it becomes second nature.